What is Brigit and how does it work in the US? Brigit is usually described as an app that helps you avoid overdrafts and cover small gaps. That's true, but the part that matters most is this. Brigit is a subscription-style tool, and the value depends on whether you use it as protection or as a routine. If you're thinking about using it, I'll explain what it is, how it works behind the scenes, and the one behavior that keeps it from turning into a monthly dependency. I'll save that behavior for the end. What is Brigit exactly? Brigit is a personal finance app in the US focused on cash advances, overdraft support, and budgeting insight. People typically use it when their balance dips before payday and they want a cushion to avoid fees or decline payment. Like other apps in this space, Brigit connects to your primary bank account, reads your transaction history, and tries to predict when your balance might run low. That prediction is what powers the advance and overdraft style features. To you, it looks like an app offering help. In the background, it's a system measuring cash flow stability, account behavior, and repayment reliability. How does Brigit work in practice? You sign up, verify your identity, and link your bank account so Brigit can analyze your deposits and spending pattern. The app monitors your balance and can alert you when it thinks you're heading toward a low point. If you qualify, Brigit can provide a cash advance within your eligible limit. Depending on the delivery option, the money may arrive faster or take longer, but the important part is repayment. Brigit typically pulls repayment automatically from your linked account on a scheduled date based on your expected income timing. Because it's automated, Brigit feels hands-off. That convenience is great until you forget it's coming and your payday gets tighter than expected. How people actually use it and what goes wrong. In real life, Brigit works best as insurance, not income. The ideal use is simple. A bill hits early, you take a small advance, you repay, and you go back to normal. The problem begins when the app becomes part of your baseline budget. If you start planning around an advance every pay period, your balance is never really yours on payday. It's already partially spoken for, which creates a constant low-level stress loop. Another common issue is eligibility changing. If your paycheck deposit timing shifts, your spending becomes irregular, or the bank connection breaks, your available amount may drop. People get frustrated because they expect it to behave like a guaranteed line of cash, but it's based on pattern, not promises. Also, the alerts can create a false sense of safety. If you trust the app to catch every low balance moment, you may stop checking your account proactively, and that's when surprises happen. What nobody tells you about the trade-off. The big upside is overdraft protection by timing, plus visibility into spending trends. For many users, avoiding a single overdraft fee already feels worth. The trade-off is that subscription-based cash tools can encourage passive money management. You might rely on automatic monitoring and advances instead of building your own buffer, even a small one. There's also a hidden planning trade-off. If you have multiple payments scheduled around payday, an automatic repayment can collide with rent, utilities, or a card payment. When everything hits in a tight window, it doesn't matter that you had money because timing becomes the real enemy. That's why Brigit feels powerful when used occasionally, but risky when it becomes routine. Wrap up. The behavior that keeps it from turning into a loop. Brigit is a US personal finance app that connects to your bank account, monitors cash flow, and can offer cash advances to help you avoid overdrafts and short-term gaps, with repayment typically pulled automatically. Now the behavior I promised. Treat every advance as a one-time emergency bridge and set a rule that you don't take another until you've rebuilt a small buffer. Even a modest cushion breaks the cycle. If you use Brigit as protection, it can reduce stress. If you use it as a pattern, it can quietly lock you into always being close to zero. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.